Beijing's Olympic app for athletes and tourists is a hacker's dream. The Chinese government has mandated that everybody participate in the games use an app that manages sensitive health information. Beijing's organizing committee created the My 2022 app to serve as a one-stop shop for local Olympic workers, international athletes and their entourages, the journalists, and administration. The software is available for both iOS and Android devices. Each traveler had 14 days to download the app, fill out personal information, and self-evaluate their health before entering the closed loop. As a result, bad actors might possibly spoof host names and reroute sensitive data away from genuine services and into their hands. Clients may provide data to the server through health.customsapp.com, such as passport and health. Furthermore, some connections are not even protected by SSL or any other type of encryption at all. T-Mail, Beijing 2022. CN is one of such paths. Data siphoning occurs on unprotected or private networks with unscrupulous operators. These results were verified using My 2022 iOS app versions 2.0.0 and 2.0.5 until mid-January and are believed to apply to Android as well. The claimed failures would not only place My 2022 and Beijing in violation of Apple and Google privacy restrictions, but also of China's own 2016 Cybersecurity Law. Censorship is also a recognized issue in the nation. On the app is a text document with over 2,400 words and phrases covering obscene insults to outlawed faiths and political issues like Islam, the Dalai Lama, and the current ethnic crackdown in Xinjiang. Currently, the list seems to be utilized in no censoring scripts. However, there is a reporting function for political speech. Citizen Lab believes it's a standard feature in China, but it might lead to worldwide censorship misuse. That said, the study team believes that China's censorship policies has led to varying degrees of SSL implementation across various access points such as ISPs or cafes, and that the app's omission of SSL for some hosts may secure such connections.